So I was thinking the other day about differential association, which is really the core theme for this second module. The idea that crime isn't something that's necessarily inborn, but something that we learn as a part of a normal learning process. And Edwin Sutherland gives us his theory of differential association, which was designed many years ago, but still is used prominently in criminological studies today to talk about that process of learning of criminal values or criminality, so to speak. And it got me wondering about differential association, about what it means to have different types of association, what it means to have different groups of people with whom we're associating, and really more importantly, to get us to think about what our own personal differential associations are. I know I spend the vast majority of my time either with my family or with my work colleagues, or more importantly, with my students. I don't really, other than some friends that I have outside of the university sphere, have any other social groups. And so as a result, my differential associations are really limited to kind of three groups. And I guess I was kind of wondering about what Edwin Sutherland said about this idea of prioritization or intensity of differential association. And it got me thinking about which of my DAs, which of my differential associations do I treat with the highest priority? What do I see as having the greatest intensity in terms of its influence on the way I behave and the way I think and the way I act? Now, I'm not going to give you the answer, but in this first question below, what I want you to do is to be thinking about what your differential associations are. Who are the groups that you associate with, be it your family or others? And which of those groups do you give the strongest sense of priority? Which of those groups do you most intensely engage with? And as a result, which of those groups do you think is most likely to influence your behavior as a result of that differential association?